My name is Troels Overby. I'm the factory manager here at the Dragsbæk Group, our UHT manufacturing facility in the Dragsbæk Group. We are doing plant-based drinks, mainly oat-based, but also almond, hazelnut, rye, and we're doing some different cooking products. We are aiming for a more sustainable production to bring down our energy consumption. We also being measured on our carbon footprint. So due to that, we have to do it better tomorrow. We were interested in SteamRecycle because we could lower our consumption of gas and we could exchange that with green electricity.
SteamRecycle is an equipment that recycles 100%, that is all the steam that is coming out from the flesh vessel of the UHT, that is ultra high treatment equipment, and putting it back into the same equipment. So you don't use any fossil fuel and you use 100% green energy.
So far it has been very positive, and we have done a lot of evaluations on the test runs that we have done. We have tasted the products, we have evaluated shelf life, we have evaluated the color, the viscosity, all the properties of the product. Everything is okay.
When you consider the product quality, the infusion gives you the best product quality with minimum chemical change at exactly needed bacteria kill rate. So if you want to have infusion and have a nice energy regeneration, then SteamRecycle supports you, putting it in the forefront of energy conservation.